Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
You asked me to come.
Yes, sit. First of all, how is your lectures going?
Very well. Everything is moving fine.
Alright, from the look of things, I can see that you don't want that shop anymore. Because I expected you to always go there after school to check on the sales girl to know how she's doing.
Oh, it's not that I don't want the shop anymore. It's just that the workload on me now is too much. As a law student, we have a lot of work to do. And I must come out with flying colors. Besides that, I always check on the girl. And she's not doing bad. I checked on her a week ago.
A week ago?
Yes.
1 week is too much for you to leave that big shop for a sales girl.
Yes, but I'm also making arrangement for my sister to come and help me to be managing it.
You've organized her?
Yes.
How do you expect her to leave her business to come and manage yours?
I've discussed with her. She agreed. But it's just that she asked me to give her some time to think about it.
Okay, no problem. If that's the case, no problem. If she agrees.
Yes, she will. She will.
Alright.
You know, as a law student, we have a lot of work at our hand. We need to be steady in school and also do our...
But I told you initially, you said you can combine both.
I know. It's okay. I'm almost through my studies.
Alright.
Thank you.
Alright.
What's the meaning of this? I've been looking for you everywhere. Where have you been? I went to a organizing workshop. I didn't see you. Expected you when I was passing out from law school. I couldn't find you.
Surprised, aren't you?
Of course I'm surprised.
Okay.
Where have you been?
Why are you asking me all these questions?
Well, who owned this car?
Why don't you just go inside and offer me a seat first?
Okay. Welcome. Have a seat.
Thank you.
So how is it going?
Fine.
It's cola.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Ijoma.
Point of correction. IG or blessing.
Meaning?
The old name has gone with poverty. This is my new name, Blessing.
So are you trying to tell me that you're changing your name from Ijoma to Blessing or IJ?
Not changing, but changed.
Well, if that will make you happy, let it be.
How was your graduation ceremony?
To God be the glory. Everything went well.
That's good. So you go to court now?
Yes.
Impressive.
So, Ijoma, I'm sorry, IJ. So, IJ, I want to, can you please tell me what is going on? I don't understand what is happening. What business are you doing now? Because from what I can understand and what my instinct is telling me, it seems that car outside belongs to you. Am I right?
This shows that you are a real lawyer. Finding out things without even asking. I do real business. With time, you get to know me better. The car parked outside is one of my most smallest automobiles. You get to know me better. Let's have a toast to a new life. To a new life.
Good day, Her Majesty.
Good day, Her Majesty.
I called you both here to be aware of what will happen in the next few days. My business partner is coming in from Germany, and I don't want him to go back to that country with our money. My money. Am I understood?
Yes, Her Majesty.
Tokumba!
Her Majesty.
You know him very well. You were the one that took him to the airport when he was traveling. And in the next few days, he is coming. And he will be seized to be among the living. Have I made myself clear?
Yes, Her Majesty.
Any mistake, you will bear the consequences. You may leave. What? Petty traders loses money to hoodlums. What the hell is this? What the hell is this? Both of you should come here right now. Immediately. What is the meaning of this? Answer me, what is the meaning of this?
We don't understand, Her Majesty.
To hell with both of you. You should know exactly what I am talking about. I'm talking to you.
Her Majesty, please, can you kindly explain to us?
Oh, you didn't hear that some market women were robbed yesterday, right? So who did it? Who did it?
We did, Her Majesty. We needed some money.
Will you shut up your mouth? Can you imagine? You needed what? Now tell me, who employed you into this business?
You did.
Who gave you guns?
You, Her Majesty.
Then why should you do such a thing? On whose approval? Why would you go on a mission without even informing me? For what?
We are sorry, Her Majesty.
You're sorry. You are sorry, right? What is today's date?
10th September.
Exactly 6 months. I told you guys never to steal from the poor. Isn't it what I said?
Yes, Her Majesty.
And then you went ahead to steal from those poor widows who are struggling to survive. What arrant nonsense.
We are sorry, Her Majesty.
Sorry for yourself.
It won't happen again.
Where is the money? Where is the money? Go and get it right now. This. What is this? This nonsense that you went to steal. I have told you several times. If you want to go for a mission, you have to steal from the rich on my own approval before embarking on any movement. And then you went to steal from the poor, right? Now take this money to the orphanage, since you cannot return it back to those women. Look at them, useless things. Get out! Move it! Rubbish. And next time you do such a thing, you will not like me. Criminals! Bombastic elements! Rubbish! Can you imagine? Told them several times not to steal from the poor, but you will continue to do that. Try me again! Idiots.
Madam, it's okay. It's okay, stop crying. This case does not call for tears.
I don't want my son to go to jail.
Then wipe your tears and tell me exactly what happened and how it happened.
My son is just being accused for nothing. The policeman in charge of the case wants me to give him money.
Madam, please, if you don't want to tell me your son's offense, then you can go ahead and give the policeman the money.
I don't have the money. That's why I came to you, sir.
As you can see, I am busy. So if you don't tell me your son's offense, what am I going to tell the judge? How will I defend your son in court? So tell me what happened.
They said he's one of the people that killed their neighbor in the compound.
Is that all?
Yes, sir.
You are there together on the day of the incident?
No. My son was in school that very day.
He was in school. Do they attend the same school?
Yes, sir. They attend the same school.
Oh, okay. I think the best thing we can do now is to go to the police station and get the facts directly from him.
That would be very good, sir. Be very good.
Okay. So wipe your tears. I'll come back on Monday morning before 10 a.m.
Thank you very much, sir.
You're welcome.
I'm really grateful.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Clear your eyes. As long as your son did not commit that offense, he's not going to jail.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much, sir. I'm
You're
so
welcome.
grateful.
You're welcome. No problem. Your son is not going to jail.
Alright,
As
sir.
far as
Thank
he's
you
not
so
committing
much.
offense.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
I'll see you on Monday morning, sir.
It's okay. Well, sister, you've not really informed me what you're doing, the business you're into that made you acquire these words overnight. What's going on?
Because you're my brother, I'll tell you.
Okay. Go ahead.
Well, I spend all my time on the internet and other activities.
Can you be serious? Is that why you refuse to attend my khutbah?
I'm sorry about that. But I apologized to you the last time.
It's okay. I'm listening. Listening.
Listening to what?
Can you be serious for once in life?
Take a good look at me. Can someone who is not serious live in a beautiful mansion like this? Out there are my automobile machines. Do they strike you like an unseriousness?
Well, seriousness should not be measured with mentality.
Well, what is life if not what you grab?
Hope is not what I'm thinking. Because
of what? Look, I have suffered in this life. Remember, we lived a life of abandoned children. So there's nothing in this life I have not seen that will shake me.
But I once told you to come and take over my shop, but you refused. Never knew you had other plans for yourself. But let me tell you, there is more to grab in life that is far better than money.
Oh, I see. I see. So, you were happy back then in the village when I would stay all day under the sun pumping tires, and I would not make up to 5,000 naira. And then you will go out there to the bush fetching firewood. What if you were bitten by a snake? Whatever I do now, so far it puts food on my table, doesn't matter.
Well, sister, as you can see, I'm not a lawyer. Then I'm in best position to tell you that facing reality and hard work pays better.
Can we just forget about this and talk about celebration?
Celebration of what?
Celebration of victory. We both came out from penury. I am wealthy, doing so well. And you are also a lawyer who's comfortable.
Well, if it's what I'm thinking that you're doing, you better come out of it. Because I'm not going to be traced to a sister who is into criminality. I won't live that kind of life. Okay? I think I've given you the best advice. Go. See you later.
Yes, how did it go?
Nice work. Nice job, Her Majesty.
What about the body?
Well deposited.
The money?
Intact.
That's good. So tomorrow you have to go to the bank to deposit into my account as usual. Have I made myself clear?
Yes.
You may leave.
Thank you.
120 million dollars richer now. Yes.
Chelsea, I must confess that I'm impressed. So far, your work is doing well. You are doing well in this place. Yeah. So you can see all these years that you've been here, things are moving. There's improvement. But to see there's a development now. Do this transferring and after preparing the account, the shop has to be closed.
Closed. Why?
Yeah, because he wants to transfer everything to his own shop.
Jesus Christ. So what will I do? Will I follow him to the shop?
I don't think so because he has many workers over there.
So I'll be jobless.
Well, you come over to my office and start work there. Okay?
Thank you very much, sir.
Yes.
My God will bless you.
Bless you too. So do your account well. All right. See you
Thank you,
soon.
sir.
I've told the sales girl to prepare the final accounts. And I have already settled her. So she will stop work very soon. Then after that, just like you said, she's going.
So, why?
Yeah, because you said you should move everything to the main office since we can't handle it.
No, that was not what I meant. What I meant is, had it been I did not settle you with everything in that shop, I would have moved them to my own shop.
Oh, now I understand. Oh, okay. So I'm sorry.
What I'm trying to say in essence is, everything in that shop belongs to you. It's for your hard working and for your apprenticeship.
Thank you. I wish my parents were alive to see what is happening to me. You sponsored my education and still give me a shop fully equipped. My God will bless you. Thank you so much.
Amen.
God
Amen.
will replenish your pocket.
Amen. You are a loyal boy.
Thank you.
You even deserve more than this.
Thank you. You are like my second God. God will replenish your pocket through Jesus Christ our Lord.
Amen. Amen.
God bless you.
Amen.
God bless you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
God bless you.
All right.
Bless you.
Amen. Amen.
Thank you, Lord.
What is the matter? Your face is not looking friendly.
How can you be friendly when you don't want to stop the type of business you do?
I hope you didn't come here to tell me about that.
Why would I? Huh?
Anyways, congratulations on your passing out from the law school.
Belated as it seems. Needless. Because I was caught about a year ago. Yeah.
Well, it's all good. We can still celebrate. You can celebrate with your blood sister from the same parents. Or is it that the love you have for me is gone?
Why are you diverting from the question I asked you, Ijoma? Why you?
AJ, please, I want you to sit down. Please.
I've been wondering what you've turned into, or the direction you go into, sister. What happened to you? What can I say? Who did this to you? Remember how we used to be years ago, when you had a sister. No, you watch my back and I watch your back.
Cheers. I'm happy we finally meet again. I will meet in a big way.
Meaning?
My brother is now a legal practitioner, a big businessman, and I too, a very big businesswoman.
Well, the debate should be whether the ends justify the means.
Pascal, please, see me as your sister.
That will not be possible again. I cannot see you as the senior sister I used to know. It's not possible again. Because of the kind of work you do, I cannot see you as the hard-working Fokinaza I used to know.
Everyone with their opinion. Would you be happy to see your own sister die in poverty?
I can see you don't have anything to say. You know I'm a very busy person. Since you brought me here, you are not making any sense.
Sure, I know. But I wonder why you took to law when you know you have a very big shop, well equipped. You have every opportunity to make money from the white men. And I picture how you look, wearing a wig and a gown, just to impress the judge.
Well, I must say that your speculation sounds interesting.
Of course, I know I am a very interesting person. And I figure out that you must possess an excellent credentials that pass through the hurdles that beats many professors.
Well, anyway, I can see that you don't have anything to say. Because all your words are not making sense. For that, I have to leave.
The drinks.
Forget about it.
Let my driver drop you.
What's happened to you now, my sister? What have you turned into? You better change, turn away from your evil ways before it's too late. What happened to you now, my sister?
Uncle!
Hey! My son!
Uncle!
Uncle! Hey!
Hey!
See house!
Uncle!
Hey! My son!
Uncle!
My son.
Welcome.
How are you?
Uncle, as you can see, I'm fine.
How is business?
Everything is perfect. Uncle, this one you came in unannounced. I hope all is well.
Hey! Okay. Let me go back so that...
No, Uncle, I was joking. I was only pulling your legs.
I wanted to go back and announce properly that I'm coming to see my son.
Uncle, I was joking. You know, I need to prepare one or two things if I know you're coming.
I
prepare one or two things for you.
See my son alone. The preparation is here already.
Uncle, let's go inside. Let's go inside. Uncle, let's go inside.
Hey.
Let's go inside.
Did you go to the motherless baby home as instructed?
Yes, Her Majesty.
Are you sure?
Her Majesty, he came here was the one that went to the mother's baby's home. I didn't go with him because of the message that you sent to me.
I know, and that's why I'm asking him to know their response when he got there.
They send their regards to you, Her Majesty.
Did you tell me?
I don't like to disturb when you are busy.
You're just flattering me. Your disobedience is quite a disturbance to me. This is yours, right? You know, you have nothing to say.
I'm sorry, Her Majesty.
Sorry for yourself. Tell him the punishment for disobedience.
Instant death.
Her Majesty, I'm so sorry. It won't happen again.
Of course, I know it will not happen again, because I will permanently make it not to happen. I should have pulled the trigger on your head. Now take this to the motherless baby home and make sure you come back with a feedback. Don't you ever steal from the poor again. Because anyone who steals from the poor means you are stealing from God. Get lost.
All right, Her Majesty. Thank you.
What? Babe, why is your face like this? What is the matter?
You're asking me as if you don't know.
I don't know. Can you just tell me?
I want to ask you, how long have we been in this relationship?
Well, it's been quite some time. Why do you ask?
Is it not yet time we formalize it?
Formalize into what?
Into marriage. Ijoma want to get married.
Look, you can't be serious at all.
Baby, I'm so serious right now. I'm serious.
Look, Obina. You cannot just jump into getting married just like that. We have to get to know ourselves better.
What else do you want to know about me that you've not known all this while? See, let me tell you, listen very well. I am tired of always coming here to keep company to a stranger. Yes.
I don't understand. A stranger? Who is a stranger?
Someone who is not yet married to you is a stranger to you.
So I am now a stranger, right? Okay, no problem. What do you want?
Tell me.
Listen to me, Obina. I really don't understand. What makes you think that I will get married to you?
I don't understand.
You know, we've been playing along because I like you as a person. Me getting married, it's at my own will. Besides, I'm the one that is supposed to be inquisitive about getting married and not you.
You know what? I am tired of this relationship that is leading to nowhere. I am tired.
Then quit.
You called me?
Oh, yes, I did. Please come and sit. You know, you are my beloved son. Okay? My late father used to tell me that the death that will kill his son rather should kill him. So, as my son, if I see anything that will happen to you, I'll rather wage it with my chest. Okay? It's about your sister. Since I came to this city, I have investigated her activities, and my findings are not encouraging at all. So you need to be very, very careful. Okay?
Yes, okay, you're right. Based on my profession, I know how to handle such people.
Look, Pascal, this is not about professionalism. Okay? We are talking of safety here, keeping you safe. All right? So you need to be careful.
Yes, okay, I understand. It's just that if I remember how we were together after the death of our parents, how we suffered, being together, it keeps reminding me the need for me to keep her close to me.
Well, in as much as I will agree with you on that, but someone who lives by the gun is not just an ordinary person. It's a criminal. Okay?
Uncle, I know, but it's not every gun. Like you now, you live with a gun. As a hunter in the village. Aside from the harbor work that you do, that doesn't mean that you're a criminal or you're a killer. But never mind. I will take care of it. I promise you. I will monitor her.
But comparing me with her is an anomaly.
No.
Yeah, I know I'm a hunter.
No.
I carry gun, but I don't kill human beings.
No, I'm not comparing you, uncle. It's just that you say anyone that lives with a gun. I'm just teasing you because you also live with a gun.
I know.
So it's not every gun. It's not everybody. Yeah, but never mind, uncle. I'll do something about that.
It's all right.
I'll monitor her.
It's okay if you say so. By the way, Jude, wanted to do something and I had to discourage him. Yeah, he actually wanted to stop your sister from coming here. Yes, and I knew, so I knew to not go down well with you, so I stopped him.
Uncle, I know everybody's aware that my sister is a bad woman. But never mind. I will take it as my job. I promise one day I will bring her out of that.
It's all right, but you just have to be careful because my late father told me that human head is like a cowrie. If you sow it, it will not germinate. So I'm always very concerned about you,
I understand.
It's all right. If you say you can handle her.
Yes, I will. I promise.
It's okay.
Okay, I'm preparing for work. So let me go on there.
It's all right. Go well.
Thank you so much.
I'm sending my driver over to your office to pick you up.
No, not like that. Sister, I'm a very busy person. I'll let you know when I'm through, okay?
Oh, come on. You may be a lawyer, but certainly you're my junior brother. This is Africa where seniority is being respected.
Sometimes I don't know where you get all this your philosophy.
Okay, let's not talk too much. I'll be waiting.
Why don't you come to my office?
Nah. I don't want to disturb the so-called learned gentleman over there.
You're never serious.
It's all right. I'll be waiting for you. Bye for now.
It's all right.
Oh, Pascal. Thank you so much for honoring my invitation.
Let me hear whatever you want to tell me, because I'm a busy person. I want to go.
I am also a busy woman. So that makes our discussion more straightforward.
I'm not interested.
Well, like I said before, I wasn't kidding.
But what?
You're my brother. Some of my business partners have their lawyers. So it won't be a bad idea if you become mine.
To defend you and your business?
Exactly.
It seems somebody has fed you with this erroneous gaggle that law is all about lies.
Well, I don't need to be told.
It's all garbage.
Pascal, you know, I've been in courts where the right person got sentenced and then the wrong persons walked away, got discharged and acquitted. I guess that's the court's slogan.
Well, mistakes do happen. The jury is not God or some set of prophets. The judge wasn't there when it happened, so mistakes can happen.
No, I disagree with that. You know, some of these judges, they sentence innocent people to jail just because money has exchanged hands.
Well, I don't know what you're talking about. Just tell me why you invited me here. Let me go.
Protection. Protection from you. Because while we're in the village, I did vulcanizing. I took care of you while you were selling firewood. So we are in the city. It is your turn to take care of me, Pascal. Because I don't see you allowing your sister get into the nets.
Well, I'm a law-abiding citizen. If you don't want to get trapped, then obey the law.
Oh, please forget it. So many people have sworn to defend the Constitution, but they end up betraying the society.
This is the second time you're inviting me to your house without making any sense. And you're wasting my time. I won't step my foot into your house again if you don't change. I have to go. Like I told you, busy.
I've been wondering what you've turned into, or the direction you go into, sister. What happened to you? Or can I say who did this to you?
Jude, you know very soon I'll be going back to the village. I'll be waiting patiently for you to give me answer to what brought me to the city. Up till now, you've not told me anything.
Uncle, I've heard you. It's on the pipeline.
There is difference between hearing and doing. If it's in the pipeline, remove it from the pipeline. Let us see it before the boys will go and blow that pipeline.
Uncle, you are talking as if wife is like bread I can easily get in any shop. Uncle, we are talking of wife here. Not bread or donut or meat pie. We are talking of wife. Uncle, I'm still searching. When I find a serious person, I will contact you. I will let you know.
Searching. You've been searching now. How long will it take you to search? You have the money right now to get married. Bring the woman for me to see.
Uncle, listen. Nobody is setting time for me to search. Most important thing is for me to get the right person. When you told me you want us to discuss something, I was thinking that maybe you want to get another wife since your wife is late. Or do you want to mourn forever?
Listen, we are not talking about me right now. I have conquered. I've seen 99. But you are just starting. So let's talk about you. When are you getting married? When am I seeing the woman?
Uncle, let me tell you something you don't know. Instead of mouth where they chop before, go stop. Instead, the one we never test, make you no chop. I know what I'm saying. You have been testing wife and you are not with wife again. You are supposed to get yourself another wife. Me, I have not tested. I don't even know how it feels like. So your own is more important than my own. I know what I'm saying. So since you are pushing me to get a wife, you need to give me time because it's not bread we are talking about. Except you want me to get you bread or donut. Since you are talking of wife, you give me time for me to get a good and serious and wife material.
So is that why you are blackmailing me?
No, Uncle.
You are talking of your own, you are talking of my own.
No, Uncle, I'm telling you.
Mine is not important, please. Okay? Now, listen, if you want me to wait for you, I will wait. But that means I will remain in this your house, Uncle. You think I'm comfortable just drinking like this? Look at what you've given me. Wine.
Uncle is not important. You can go back to the village. Definitely. I promise you. I'm a man, definitely. Nothing is wrong with me. I must marry. It's a must. I'm only trying to be careful. Uncle, but please, can we change this topic?
You want us to change the topic?
Yes.
It's all right. Because it appears you are trying to blackmail me. No problem, we'll change the topic. But if you don't get me a woman, I will not leave this house. I will give you time to search.
I have a call.
I answer your call.
Hello?
Well, you're highly welcome.
Not interested.
I thought you said you will never come to my house again.
I've come with an important message. I've been monitored. So it will pay me a lot to see you go down in the pit of hell.
Well, nothing of such can ever happen. You just do your part and I will do mine. Besides, you deserve a car, don't you?
Do not undermine the importance of my visit here.
Well, we can partner together.
I've told you that it's not possible. Because I warned you that I cannot engage myself with any activities of yours.
Well,
I have a shop. If you want it, you can go there and take care of it.
Well, I already told you what I want. Protection.
You cannot get that from me.
And I do not take no for an answer. You can do better.
So you really think that Barrister Pascal will defend and harbor a criminal in a court?
Pascal, people in uniform, they steal. A lot of them. In government, National Assembly. You know, governors, all these politicians, they all steal. But in as much as they steal, they have a lawyer that protects them.
Who is feeding you with all this social garbage?
Well, as you can see, I know them. I know everything about their conduct. Well, I know you will not want to recite the national item, both the old and new, if you know what I know.
Interesting. Keep talking.
Well, as a lawyer that you are, you need to know what happens around you. I'm giving you this lecture for free. This is a country where corrupt people sit in government, and you call it a nation? A country where rules of law are not obeyed. What we have is a big reservoir where everyone is struggling to draw the well dry.
Have you got conscience?
Yes, but not in my dictionary anymore.
We've got conscience. I and other people like me, we are out on a social war to put this country on a right path.
Barrister Pascal, you still believe in old principle. So let's leave this matter, please.
Well, I still maintain you amend your ways because they are monitoring you.
I've been wondering what you've turned into, or the direction you go into, sister. What happened to you? How can I say who did this to you? Remember how we used to be years ago, when you had the sister. Now you watch my back and I watch your back. We got each other.
Well, madam, I'll be waiting for you to, let me know the reason why you're here now.
Okay. I'm here to see the person in charge.
You must make a good magistrate. You can make a good magistrate. Well, anyway, tell me what I can do for you.
I said I came to see your boss.
Okay, my boss is not around. You can go and come back when he's around. I will tell him. Then you can come back later.
Okay, please, when is he going to be around? Because the police are after me.
Madam, you're not serious. Because if you're serious and police is really after you, you should have started explaining your case to me.
Young man, you want me to start explaining to you? Then when your boss comes, I start all over to explain myself. I've got no time.
Alright, since you have no time, you can go and come back.
So how did it go? Did he accept to help you?
I didn't even meet him. I met some boy in the office and he said his boss won't be coming in today.
His boss? This morning, Pascal left for office. And I'm very sure he doesn't have any assistant. So how's the person?
I met this little boy. He was sitting on the office chair. And this boy appeared to be the son of the man I supposed to go see.
Is the boy significant and pinchomic in nature?
Yes, a bit fair.
That's Barrister Pascal.
What?
He's the owner of that chamber. He's in the best position to help you. Listen. If I were you, rush back there before he decides not to help you. Please. Time is not on your side, okay? Time is not on your side. Go back to that place, okay?
Oh my God.
Yeah.
No, Jude, I was really rude though.
All
I was
right.
rude to this man.
Don't worry. Go and meet him. Beg him. Plead with him, okay?
Okay.
All right. Take care.
You're welcome. Sit.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I'm very sorry, sir.
That's all right.
My name is Betty, sir.
I know.
Okay. I'm here to tell you that I'm in a very big ship.
To be soon be determined.
Okay, I guess I need to start telling you everything and how it happened.
Yeah, if you want to save yourself from the hanging rope, go ahead.
I thought you said you knew.
Well, not first hand of what happened. What did you do?
Okay, I did it.
You did what?
I murdered her.
Stop. Hold on. Okay. Go ahead. Start talking.
Okay,
Go ahead.
It was a mistake.
I sent her to you. She's in serious trouble.
Yes, she met me and I told her to come back again. So that I'll think about the necessary thing to do.
But from the look of things, do you think she can come out from that case?
I don't know yet. But why would she kill her neighbor just because of a common quarrel?
I believe it was a mistake. That is why she has been on the run all this while.
This is a serious matter. This is a serious matter. And you expect me to put my wig, walk into the court, to tell the jury that a guilty woman is as clean as snow?
I believe you can do it perfectly well.
The law plays on the side of the innocent.
listen. She's my friend. Whatever you're doing for her, you are doing it for me. Please.
This is a big task. It's a big task. And there's always two sides of the coin in this case.
I know.
And I always want to be on the positive side.
I know, but I believe a good lawyer is the one who goes to court and convinces the jury beyond all reasonable doubt.
But I've got conscience. I want to defend the innocent.
I know. But a smart lawyer is the one who saves his client that is doomed for execution. Pull out some smart stunt, believable theories, walk away with the client unhurt. That is why I sent her to you, because I know you will do it perfectly well. If you don't help her, the nose is waiting to enter her neck if she's caught. Please, you need to help.
Do you really want me to go far in this profession?
Why not? That's why I spent a lot of money to make sure you graduate.
It's alright. I will see if I can help.
Not seeing if you can help. Please, you need to help.
I'll see what I can do. I've asked her to come back in 2 days' time. I'll try my best, because I'm not the jury.
Alright, thank you.
So tell me, what gives you the courage to steal?
I'm a graduate and I have no job. I do it to help myself. I'm sorry. It won't happen again.
Apart from taking people's sweats, what else do you do?
Absolutely nothing for now.
Have you killed before?
Yes. Those days in school when I do rascal.
Smart. Perhaps. Very smart. But I will sound this as a warning. Nobody gets smarter than IJ. You have to stop stealing from the poor.
Yes, ma'am.
Have I made myself clear?
Yes, Her Majesty. Yes, Your Majesty.
Tokumbo!
Her Majesty.
Get him more ready for the job.
Yes, Her Majesty. After you.
Madam, should go to police station and make a report.
Report what? Are you serious about what you're saying right now?
I'm serious as anything you can think of.
Why did you ask me to go to the station and make a report, knowing fully well that I committed the crime and they are after me?
Because I have studied your case. And you're going to jail if you don't do what I said.
That will mean me walking straight to my death.
Go to the police station, tell them you've been out of town, came back, hearing that the police were looking for you. Then you decided to report yourself as a law-abiding citizen. That's all.
That will mean that I will stop to breathe the air of freedom.
Before then, just tell them that you want to speak to your lawyer.
Okay, what happens next?
I'll take over from there.
All right. When do you want me to do this?
As soon as you leave this office, go to the police station and report yourself before they catch you by themselves.
So Pascal, I just sure do hope you know what you're asking me to do.
Madam Betty, I know what I'm doing. If I don't know what I'm doing, I won't be sitting here with you. Okay? Just put yourself in order. Go to the police and do exactly what I said. That's the only way we can pull through. Okay? Okay.
Betty said you told her to report at the police station.
Yes, I did. I told her.
Is that not suicidal?
Yeah, but what she did is already suicidal.
Listen, if you don't want to help us, just tell her than putting her into more trouble.
But she's already in trouble. Do you understand? She's already in trouble, big one.
Right, I think we should look for another lawyer.
I didn't say so.
So why adding more salt to the injury?
What do you mean by adding more salt to the injury? I'm just doing my duty to see how I can help her. Listen, if I should continue in this case, she must do whatever I ask her to do. That is it.
Order! Order!
I need your attention, my lord.
You have it.
Betty.
Yes, sir.
You went to the police station on your own.
Yes, I did.
Why did you go to the police station?
I came back from my travel and my neighbor told me that the police came by my place looking for me and that they came several times.
And?
I inquired what happened.
Were you told why?
No, I wasn't.
What happened?
I dropped my bags immediately and went straight to the police station.
Okay. While you were doing all this, what was going on in your mind?
Nothing really. Only that I was performing my duty as a law-abiding citizen.
Thank you. Were you afraid to go to police station?
No, I wasn't, because I'm not guilty of any crime.
Why?
My lord, my colleague here is deviating. Huh? We're talking about a woman who committed murder. A lady who killed her co-tenant in cold blood. And my colleague here is asking irrelevant questions just to buy himself time. I suggest this woman should be convicted.
You should allow me to decide that. You may continue.
Thank you, my lord. The guilty, they say, is always afraid. Let's see the nerves of this prosecution counsel. By assuming that this woman standing here actually perpetrated the crime.
Objection, my lord. There is no word like assumption. This lady here is as guilty as Cain. And it will be of no help to this honorable court that we allow this defense counsel to lead this honorable court astray. My lord.
Objection overruled.
Thank you, your worship. Let's assume that this woman standing here is as guilty as that. It will go down for the first time in the history of this country that a woman guilty of murder actually submitted herself for arrest by walking straight into the nearest police station.
This case is one of its kind, and hereby adjourn this case till 28th of next month.
Cut!
Uncle, I never knew Pascal is this good when it comes to law.
What did he do?
If you see the kind of respect people are called to him today in the court, you will be marveled.
Did they send someone to jail?
He's about saving someone who has already been marked to be sentenced to death.
So how exactly did he do that?
How I wish you were there and watch the way he was twisting the whole matter. Logically.
Okay.
Twisting everything. The boy is good.
That's my boy.
He is good. Like he is good.
I know. That's my boy.
Guy is good.
Oh.
Good afternoon, sir.
Pastor. Congratulations.
Why?
Over what you did today, of course.
What did I do? It's not over yet. The judge has not given any judgment.
I know, but from the look of things, I saw exactly what you did. Definitely, I believe victory will be ours.
Oh, no, it's not like that.
Listen, I've always known Pascal. I know that he will be a very great lawyer.
Not will be a great lawyer. He is already a great lawyer. Already.
You're not flattering me.
Oh, come on. Why will we flatter you? We just say the truth.
You're good. The boy is good. When I say he's good, he is good.
Thank you. Thank you. You're just like a father to me. I appreciate it. Thank you, sir. I owe both of you.
I am not like a father to you. I'm your father.
Yes.
Okay?
Well done, sir.
Keep it up.
Thank you, sir.
I know that the sky is your stepping stone.
Amen.
I was shocked today. I wish you were there to see things yourself.
Twisting.
I have to wait for the judgment first. You want to predict the judgment?
I have already seen the end of it.
No, it's not like it doesn't work like that.
I have already seen the end. The judge is even confused.
It's okay. Pascal, I'm very proud.
This one that you're happy today. I've not seen you this happy before.
I am happy for you, Pascal.
Why?
Your performance in court was excellent the last time.
Come on. That's what I'm trained for.
Oh, really?
Yes, that's my job.
To lie in order to save the guilty woman?
Allow the court to decide that.
You think so?
I know so.
So why don't you allow the judge to pass his sentence? You went on defending her.
Please, can we stop discussing this matter that's still in court? You know, we have so many important issues I can talk about. If you have any.
I said it.
You said what?
I knew you are going to be my lawyer.
And I still maintain that you're going to stop that line of trade.
I am not a bad person as you think.
You can tell that to the dogs.
Well, as you talk, I have hundreds of students that are under my scholarship scheme. And I'm going to do more.
Clap for yourself. Clap for yourself. The philanthropist. I hope you're not using the poor people to bribe God. Listen, there's no amount of scholarship that will stop the wrath of God from falling on you.
Well, my God is wise. He hears the cry of the poor. So I represent Christ.
I'm done with this discussion.
Pascal, are you chasing me out of your house?
I only welcome people with good discussion. Not someone talking like a drug addict.
Pascal, I will leave. But remember, we are siblings. Blood is thicker than water.
That's what they say. But don't forget we have different faces. And we answer different names.
I've been wondering what you've turned into, or the direction you're going to. Sister, what happened to you? What can I say? Who did this to you? Remember how we used to be years ago? When you had a sister, no. You watch my back and I watch your back. We got each other. What's happened to you now, my sister? What have you turned into?
20 million naira. Not bad at all. Tell me, any casualties?
No, Her Majesty.
Count out 100,000 naira each for both of you. Take the remaining to my room. Tomorrow morning, you will go to the bank. Remit the sum of 5 million naira into the school account, being the money for the students under my scholarship scheme. Pay the remaining into my account. Have I made myself clear?
Yes, Her Majesty.
I've been wondering what you've turned into, or the direction you go into, sister.
Tell me. Why would she do such a thing? Why?
What?
Out of the 20 million, she asked you to pay in 5 million naira to the school account. And for us to share 100,000 each. Why?
I don't understand. What do you mean?
You're acting as if you don't know what I mean. What happened to the rest of the million?
My mom!
I don't like it when you laugh.
The rest of the money becomes her own.
Tukumbo is like you don't understand. You don't understand. From the group I came from, we shared it 50-50. But
do you know what you are? You are nothing but Mutrumpafu. See, if you still want to remain here, her order is final. Use your brain.
You don't tell me that. I take the risk. I, Christy, take the risk. Why would a common woman be getting that kind of lion's share? Who does that? Who is she?
So the principal sent you here, right?
Yes, ma'am.
I just wanted to be sure if the school received the money I sent meant for the students on free education that are under my scholarship scheme.
Ma'am, yes, we received the money. And we are grateful for what you did. May God bless you and reward you a millionfold. I want to say, if every other person in this country were doing like you, this country, this nation we are into would have been a better place. Really appreciate your efforts. Thank you.
We thank God. To God be the glory.
I need to take my leave, ma'am.
My driver will drop you over.
All right.
Okom!
Pastor. You are here.
Yes.
I thought you were still at work.
No, I'm here. I came back since, but I've been in the room.
Jude actually asked after you, and I said you're still at work.
Oh. No, I've been inside the room. Yeah, because I'm doing some research.
Research?
Yes.
I thought you finished schooling. What are you still researching?
No, I'm doing research on the case I have tomorrow. So I need to prepare myself.
Oh. Ha! Lawyers. So this is how you work?
Yes.
No time for resting?
No, I will rest.
Okay. Let me leave you to continue with your research, okay?
Okay, sir.
When dinner is ready, I'll call you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Your Worship. My client here is free for psychiatric examination. If that is done, she will be satisfied, sir. And also to prove that she wasn't under alcoholic influence. And it will mount to another miracle in this world, especially in this country, that a woman accused of murder actually walked herself straight to the police station.
Objection, my lord.
Objection overruled.
Thank you, Your Lordship. My colleague here is trying to make this court believe that my client actually stabbed her neighbor. I have been in this job for a while, and I have seen, read, and heard thousands of false witnesses. If our technology has improved, I suggest that we'll call those witnesses and let them pass through a lie detector.
Oh, my lord. What my colleague here is doing is what we call delay tactics. It's delaying this court.
Barrister Moses, are you aware that this court has procedures?
Thank you, Your Lordship. We are talking about death here. So I would suggest a few protocols to be breached so that to make sure we are not sending the right person to the hangman. So, my lord, I want to cross-examine those witnesses.
Granted.
Thank you.
My lord, those witnesses are currently not present in the court.
Okay. So we have to adjourn till the bail application granted to the accused.
What?
Oh, good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, you're welcome. How are you doing?
I'm fine. How are you doing too?
I'm alright.
I came to say thank you to you.
Oh, no. You shouldn't have bothered yourself coming around.
Am I no longer welcome in your office?
No, you're welcome, but you don't need to stress yourself looking for me.
Come on, it's no stress. I came to tell you thank you for everything that you did for me, for saving me.
It's okay. It's not me. It's the judge. The judge was most lenient.
You did wonderfully well.
Thank you. I'm just doing my job.
Your job is your job. You did more than your job. Like, you got it all to the greatness.
Yeah.
It was fabulous, and I'm really grateful. Thank you for doing this for me.
You should be thanking my brother Jude, because he was the one that forced me into this. Huh? And they say again, change your ways and go home and say no more.
Say no more, I promise. Thank you so much, sir.
You're welcome. Thank you. What nonsense! What's going on here, for Christ's sake? Oh my Lord! What's happening here?
I didn't hear the sound of the
Oh, I
horn.
should blow the horn of a train before you hear me?
So what does it look like, St. Pascal?
Tell the fuck up. What the hell are you doing in your living room with that non-entity? You're making love in your living room? Look at yourself. Look at what you have turned yourself to. Rubbish.
Well, I didn't know you have turned from a lawyer to a reverend father.
Shut up! You're sleeping here with that non-entity in your living room. Huh? And you still have the mouth to talk. Look at you.
Well, there are two kinds of people in this life. The strong and the weak. And I belong to the strong. And I will not allow you come to my house to humiliate me.
Hey, you're mad. M-A-D, you are mad. Mad. You're doomed, Madam Ijoma.
Oh,
Rubbish.
a point of correction. You're making a mistake. IJ.
Nonsense. What am I even shouting? What am I even doing here? You don't know anything like you. You have turned yourself to a prostitute, a strong
came to see your sister.
Shut the fuck up, nonsense. Prostitute.
I've been wondering what you've turned into, or the direction you go into, sister. What happened to you? What can I say? Who did this to you? Remember how we used to be years ago?
What are you doing here?
Hey, come on. Don't tell me you don't want me visiting your office.
Not until you come back to your senses.
You don't mind me sitting down? Remember, blood is thicker than water.
What exactly do you want?
I'm here for two things. Firstly, I want to apologize for what happened the other day in my house. Secondly, protection.
Told you several times I have nothing to do with criminals and fraudsters.
I was there the other day in court, remember?
So what?
You saved the woman's life that was meant to be sentenced to death. Didn't you?
No, she's innocent.
That's a lie. I'm here to make you an offer.
I'm not interested.
Call me your account number. I'll send you 30 million naira. $40. $45.
What do you have?
I'll keep my money because I know you will need it someday.
It's high time you leave me alone.
It is not going to be easy because I know you don't mean it.
As you can see, I'm busy.
Think about what I said.
I've been wondering what you've turned into, or the direction you go into, sister. What happened to you? What can I say? Who did this to you? Remember how we used.
I felt like killing her. Really, if I was swimming in money, she wouldn't have done what she did.
Is that why you start looking for money in the devil world?
Don't even go there. I didn't do anything bad. I decided to take the bull by the horn.
So?
Well, I planned with my guys to gang up against her. We waited for her, saw her, and collected all her belongings. I watched them rape her.
Shh, close your mouth. That's stealing and raping. You may go to jail for that.
Well, I just paid her back what she did to me.
She has no right in forcefully taking what belongs to somebody. And also raping the person. You know that.
Well, you can save your sermon, Barrister Pascal.
You have turned yourself to a devil.